Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 7-12, the cabin frame external roof woodwork for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 7-12, the cabin frame external roof woodwork for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File New, Part MMGS. Alright, so let's go to Top Plane, Sketch. I'm going to do half of this and we'll mirror it, so we're going to do a line there. It's going to start here, across, curve, down, straight, and across there. Across there, that will be construction line. Okay, so now this one here, let's do this. It's going to be 673 divided by 2. So 33650. And let's add a construction line just for the sake of it. There, and that's going to be vertical. There we go. All right, so full length will be from this to this will be 559.5. Full. Bring that in a bit. And that's probably going to go that way a bit. There we go. Alright, follow contours for top strips. So let me go to let me just set this bench that we got on this one. That's gonna be 115. There we go. That one should be tangent. There we go. And those two should be tangent. There we go. Alright, so let's go to top strip. Where's the top strip? All right, so this is going to be 152. From here to here will be 117.5 plus 155. And something don't work out again. You just delete. Seriously, you just delete that one for the moment. Yes. Let me go from there to there. Will be 155 plus 117.5. Yeah, that don't make sense either. That's gonna be. Come on, get there. 144.5. I don't think that's quite right either. Oh, yeah, measurements. Yeah, that's going to come across. Now let's do the circle again. From there to there, but that one's going to be joined. Then these two will be tangent. Yeah, something's not right again. Oh, tangent, and they're striping down. They should not be striping down. Oh, man. Only 91, so it should be 112. Okay, let me just do that. Let me leave there. Let me do this one. 112 point. Oh no, it's not 112.5. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong one. I'm looking at the other one. It is 115. Oh. me grab this measurement, take it out. Let's see what that does. If we do those two tangent. Nope, it does not like that. Hold on. It'll be 115. Not 3. That's better. Put those two as tangent. These two as tangent. And put you out there. Okay, so what is this measurement now? From there to there. 372.12. It says follow contour of the top strip. That's a problem. Do that and things crash. Let me just delete that one. Okay. We're going to see what happens on there. But right now we're going to offset. Might help me fix some stuff. There we go. That's going to be, let's go back to the other one. I'm looking at the first one made in the chassis, in the framework. It's going to be 10 mil wide, which is 10 mil wide. That's good. So that's okay. Put that there, thank you. Have a line from there to there. And there to there. There we go. So that's done. But now we want the, let me zoom out. Thank you. Now we want to mirror. Let's mirror that one. Thank you. That one, that one. Those two. Those two. That one there. That should be it, but it had one line there. Let's see what happens to do that one too. And okay. Now it's a thickness of 26 millimeters. So if we go 26, let's see what happens. Why didn't that do that? Sketch appears to be one closed contour. It may actually be one. Okay. I wondered that. So when we delete that one, there we go. Yeah, get rid of that line. I was wondering that. When you mirror, leave the gap there. 26. Yeah, it's better. There we go. And done. Okay, let's bring this in and put that around, see how much it fits. Let me just hide this one for a moment. Where's the eye? Okay. Oh, one. Okay. Oop. It's getting worse. Okay, let's bring it in. Want that one. Okay, let's now have mate that face with that face, mate this curve with that curve, and it did not do it. Nope, did not like that one. Oh man, that one gets the bottom scroll sideways. You delete that one. Yep. Okay, so we mate this side with that side. That is terrible. That's really terrible. Okay, you know what? I'm going to make things easier. I'm going to delete this one. Yep. I'm going to open up this one. And I'm going to make one out of there. let's see what happens there. So let's edit sketch. Actually, let me get rid of sweep. I don't need sweep on. Oh, sweep on that. Need that one. Ah, there it is. There you go. What's this one? Oh yeah, that's right. I've done a sweep on that originally, but we don't need you. Let me get rid of that because I'm not going to be using sweep on this. Close. That's fine. Rule you. There we go. Now that. Hold on. Oh, whoa. Let me just take back a minute. Let me just check something. We go back in there. Okay, sketch the inside. So when I build this, I've got to go 2 out. Okay. So let me. So I need to build on top there. Oh man. Would be easier if I build inwards. That's fine. That's fine. We'll work something out. Actually, the width of that was. It was the width of that. 2.5, okay. 2.5. So let me add that one. So we want, get rid of the sweep. Get rid of the sketch, it's 2.5. Let's do, get rid of that plane, we don't need that plane. Whoa. Hold on. Whoa, back up. Always resave. Always resave, otherwise we're going back to that one, it would have been screwed up. Okay, file, save as, save as copy and open. It's going to be 7-E12, that one, version 2. Okay. Now let's go to normal. And that's going to be open sketch. It's going to be a trim, not trim, sorry. Offset of 2.5. Let's go 10 to see. Why is that not selecting? Hold on. We select that one. Offset. Why is that not? There we go. 2.5. Done. Now, we're going to highlight all that, and that's going to be for construction. Beautiful. Now we need build. Can we hide that one? No, we can't. We need build from this outside one, which I'm going to exit out of the sketch. I'm going to build on top. That way I don't screw anything else up. It's going to be line from there. Nope, wrong one. That one to that one. Really? Line, thank you. That one to, nope, that one to that line. It's going to curve around to that one. Go straight. Actually, don't need. I can go straight to this one. Go again. To that one. To that one. There we go. And that's going to be offset by, what was it? Over here, scroll down. 10. Offset by 10, but it's got to be the other way. Reverse. There we go. Okay. So line from there to there. There to there. Oop. Move that one out. Okay. Let's have a look at what these measurements are now. Just out of curiosity. There we got. Look at that, 115.02. It was supposed to be 115, so that's correct. From inside to inside, 673, that's correct. From here to there, 559.5. That's 549.5. That's 10 mil difference. And that should be the same as this. Hey, curious, what's this one? 125. Oh, that makes sense, 10 mil. Okay, so that's good. We now want to go to 26. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me hide them. There we go. So, yeah, that's a big difference. Definitely made it easier. Okay, let's go back to this other big piece. Not that one. Let me close that one down. That one. Okay, so now I'll put some hidden stuff there, do we? What we got stuff there for? Oh. Oh. Oh no, I thought I broke something. There we go. Got rid of them. Okay, let's all save all. Let's add in, oh, which one's with version 2? There we go. Pop you way up there. We've got mate you to there. Mate you, mate to there. You down, nope. Want you there, mate to the roof. There we go. And that should be good. How's that look there? Could be a bit further. Oh. That could be the 10 mil difference. That's probably the difference. Okay. So let's just measure the difference in that. That might be the difference in that measurement. Let's go evaluate, measure from this one to that one. 5.25. 5.25. You open that one. Let's go to top plane. 5.25. Actually, let's go to sketch, edit. 5.25. Oh, okay, 5 point, not far off, 0.25, yeah. Okay, that worked out good. So let me do a rectangle. One there. One there. That's going to be... Oh. Let's do that construction line. Okay. Nah. Let's just measure and see what happens. Okay, so we want 5.25. That point and that point will be vertical. No, sorry, horizontal. Can I build a sketch? Get some used feature because endpoints wrong shared by multiple. Oh, yep. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Let me delete that one. Delete that one. That's good. I've seen it do that before. Do that one and do that one. There we go. That's what you have to do. Exit out. And look at that. Went up nicely. The roof don't exactly sit that smooth. Save all. Okay, well that's on there. I'm happy with that. Okay, I'm going to do one more episode after this one. It'll be fixing up the corner pieces and that on there. So we will fix that up. If I go open that piece up, if I make that visible, save, go back. Yeah, there you go. Like this piece here. That's got to be cut back. Oh, no, sorry. This is going to come around. That's right. So we're going to build there and there. So I'm going to do that next episode. Just going to fix up that. Just tidy up a few things in there. I think that's the only thing, actually. Anything else I'm happy with. All right, that's part 7-12. Cabin frame exterior roof woodwork for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. If you enjoyed the episode, click like button, comment, subscribe. I do appreciate it. Got any suggestions or would you do things differently? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep on building.